Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the use of software that supports the visually impaired, particularly the interaction with Arena, which is a simulation software. So the first thing I'm going to do is start the NVDA program.
Welcome to NVDA dialog. Welcome to NVDA. Most commands for control. Desktop list. NVDA 12 of 35. Desktop.
Okay, so the software allows the user to be able to hear what's in the screen, on top of the screen, and as the user navigates using the cursor of the screen, the software will describe where the cursor is or what it's pointing at.
Welcome to NVDA. Welcome to NVDA. Most commands for controlling NVDA require you to hold down the NVDA desktop. OK.
Also, it's pointing out the OK content. It is basically based on the text.
Task desktop.
So now
type here to type Cortana window. Search box edit blank. Arena app. Press 3. Arena app. Cortana window. Arena. OK. Arena training and evaluation mode. Student. Commercial use prohibited. Model 1. Unknown.
Okay, so now we are in Arena. All I did was launch the software. The software has at the top, as you can see, tech options, and these are pull-down menus that allows the user to interact.
View file menu, new control plus N,
and it reads the options.
Arena training and evaluation mode, project bar. Here in the project bar we have different options. There is one small limitation I have found in the software, which is it doesn't read these options here: advanced transfer, advanced process, but so far it's the only limitation I have found. However, basic process list, project bar.
If we open
project
it,
bar.
it told me the basic process list.
Basic process.
And
basic process.
It reads each one of these icons texts, which are the basic buildings blocks for the use of Arena. I'm going to build a simulation running right now.
Create 1 of 20. Project bar. Create 10. Process. Project bar. Dispose. Basic process.
And this is sufficient to start a simulation model right now. If I go to each one of these blocks, there are parameters inside that can be modeled or changed.
Create 1. Create dialog. Create 1.
And in the dialog I have different options, and as I go using the cursor to point in each one of these parameters, the software helps me under reading.
Name. Create. Entity type. Create 1. Close. Dispose 1. Process 1. Time between arrivals. Time between arrivals. Open. Close. Collapsed. Expanded. Collapsed. Expanded. Type. Collapse. Time. Type. Random. Expo. 1. Units. Units. Seconds. Minutes. Hours. Days. Create. 1. Infinite. 0.0. First creation. 0.0.
Etc.
Arena training and evaluation mode. Student. Commercial use prohibited. Model 1. Create 1. Process 1. Dispose 1000.
So essentially that's what the software, the NVDA software, can do for the student. We can run this model. There are graphical icons to run it, but there are also the option to run it using the text-based menus at the top. So if I
standard,
these are
standard,
these are not read here. This even though it says
standard arena training and evaluation mode.
What it is, but if I go to the menu and go to run,
object, run menu, go F5,
and I can run it.
Arena training and evaluation mode, student, run sub-menu Alt plus R, and Alt plus F5, pause ESC, start and Alt plus F, project bar.
So I think this has a lot of functionality for the visually impaired, enough for to do most of the tasks that will be needed in a simulation course, and therefore, and because this NVDA software is open source and free, and as you can see, it works really fast. I think it's a very good alternative for the student to be able to interact with the simulation software.
Basic process.